Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today, we're unboxing a gift from a friend, a subscriber, and a fellow member of the Random Rob Discord group. I have mixed feelings. I'm not good at accepting gifts, and also I'm curious to see what's in here. So I guess we'll just get to it. Um, I appreciate the thought that went into this. So let's just see what's in here. I don't want to. I don't know. I don't know what to say. So let's get it open and check it out. Also trying out this new knife here for unboxing stuff. And I got to find a mixture of something that's sharp but not too sharp, I guess. But it's just a razor blade thing I found somewhere. So let's see what's in here. Oh, also, this is from Mark. He has his YouTube channel where he does racing, which I didn't even know about really until he had shared his channel a while ago. It's basically it's like electronic racing. He has a steering wheel and gas pedals and all that stuff set up. So it's pretty cool. All right, this has a bunch of shipping labels on it, so I'm just opening it up to the side here. Semio, wow. All right, let's see what's here. Dude, two watches maybe. Wow. I don't even know what to say about that. Looks like I would say this is a Russian watch, maybe. I don't even know. I'll have to do some digging on this. Like a hand winding movement. There's a sticker on there. Feels like a sticker, but maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll set that off to the side and look at the other one. Actually, let's take a closer look here. And I'll have to look into this one some more. I don't know if this is a watch or not. Wow. That's very, very kind of you, Mark. So we got a Tissot in here. Let's get this. You know what? Let's get both of these on wrist. Hopefully my voice isn't too raggedy and getting over sickness and illness. So hopefully getting into some more videos here. All right, so Tissot, stainless steel, sapphire crystal. Yeah, very cool. Nice how that top right subdial is just spinning away. That would be tenths of seconds. Bottom subdial must be the running seconds, and then the left subdial will be the minute counter, and then of course the center second hand here is your chronograph second hand. So just let this continue around here, and then this subdial here should move over 1 minute to indicate the minute timer here, or the minute chronograph. Strap feels nice too. Can't decide if it's silicone or rubber. All right, so let's watch that top left subdial. Yep, right on the mark there. It moved forward. So we'll stop it. And okay, so I didn't notice if that stopped at 30 seconds or if that stopped at 60 seconds. I have a bowl of Lunar Pilot, and it stops after 60. I'm sorry, after 30. But anyway, I stopped the chronograph, and you can see the bottom subdial is still moving. I don't have a I've never actually had a chronograph in hand with a subdial layout like this. A little bit different. Kind of reminds me of Mickey Mouse. All right, so let's reset it and see if that snaps back. Oh, that was interesting. Let's try that again. Almost looked like it floated for a second. I'll let it get to about 15 and then we'll stop it. Interesting. I might try and do a slow-mo video of that or something. Looks like it kind of, I don't know what it did there, but it's pretty interesting. All right, you know what, let me get this on wrist. We'll get the other one on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. And again, I'll leave a link to Mark's YouTube channel. Please go pay him a visit. Tell him I sent you. There we go, on my 6.5-inch wrist. Yeah, this watch will definitely stay in my collection for a very long time. The other one as well. Hand winding. I think it's a dress watch. It reminds me of a Russian watch. But anyway, let's take a look at this one a little bit more here. Yeah, very cool. All right, let's get the other one on wrist. I'll wind it up here real quick. Still not sure if that's a sticker. I don't mess with it too much. And it's moving away. So let's get this on wrist. Alrighty, there it is on my wrist. Cool little watch here. Very cool. Well, yeah, greatly appreciated again. So as always, thank you guys for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.